Welcome to this tutorial on creating the perfect pleats in your curtains. If you've ever hung curtains before and found the pleats were uneven or messy, then you know how frustrating it can be. In this video, we'll show you a few simple tips and tricks to ensure you get perfectly pleated curtains every time. Whether you're a beginner looking to tackle your first set of curtains, or an experienced home decorator looking to spruce up your existing window treatments, this video will provide you with a step-by-step guide to creating beautiful, crisp pleats. We'll cover all techniques for pleating and attaching the pleats for a professional finish. Plus, we'll provide tips and tricks for getting the best results and ensuring your curtains look as good as new for years to come. So whether you're looking for a quick and easy project or a more intricate design, you can find something to suit your needs in this tutorial. So grab your fabric and supplies, and let's get started. Achieve professional-looking pleats in your curtains. Achieving professional-looking pleats in your curtains is easier than it looks. You can create perfect pleats and give your curtains a fantastic and stylish look with a few simple steps. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to help you achieve this look. 1. Measure and mark the pleats on curtains. The first step in getting perfect pleats in your curtains is to measure and mark them. You will need a measuring tape, a fabric marker, and a ruler. Measure the length of the curtain, mark the halfway point, then measure and mark the pleat spacing. Ensure the pleats are evenly spaced and all the measurements are correct. Once the wrinkles have been marked, the next step is to start pleating the fabric. 2. Fold the curtains. Fold the curtains in half lengthwise, first by bringing the two uppermost corners together and then bringing the two bottom corners together. Make sure to keep the edges of the fabric aligned as you fold. Secure the fold with pins at both the top and bottom. Ensure that the pins are placed close to the edge of the fabric, as this will help keep the pleats in place as you sew. 3. Ironing the pleats. Ironing the pleats is essential to ensure that your curtains look perfect. Start by setting the iron to a medium temperature and then place the curtains on the ironing board. Make sure that all the pleats are facing in the same direction. When ironing the pleats, use a light touch and go over each pleat twice. Focus on the top and bottom of the pleat, and be careful not to flatten the pleats. Once the pleats are ironed, hang the curtains to ensure they are perfect. 4. Sew the pleats. Sew the pleats by stitching a line of straight stitches along the middle of the pleat. Make sure to backstitch at the beginning and end of each pleat to ensure the pleats stay in place. When sewing the pleats, use a thread similar in color to the fabric of the curtain. This will help the stitches blend into the fabric and make them less visible. Using a needle appropriate for the fabric you are working with is also essential. This will ensure that the stitches are tight and secure and will help the pleats last longer. 5. Hang the curtains. Now that you've completed the steps to perfect pleats in your curtains, it's time to hang them up. Make sure the curtains are hung evenly and securely and look neat. If you have a curtain rod, make sure the pinch pleats are evenly spaced across the rod. If you have a track, make sure the curtains are even and aligned with the track. If your curtains have a tie back, take the time to tie them up properly for the best look. Now you can enjoy your perfectly pleated curtains. That's it for our tutorial on how to get perfect pleats in your curtains. We hope you now have the tools and knowledge to achieve beautiful and professional looking pleats. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if your first try doesn't turn out as you had hoped. And if you have any questions or need help, please don't hesitate to contact us. Until next time, happy pleating!